Hey guys, this is Dreamy from MDR. I'm here today to show you guys how to not give up on your trimming experience with a binding tool. If you don't have a cover stitch machine, then this is where you want to be right now. So let's talk supplies. Let's get your strips, whatever size that you're using for whichever tool you're using. Let's get that, cut that out. Ooh. Then let's get your pattern piece, your fabric, whatever. This is just a scrap fabric that I have laying around. Ooh. Get your poster putty, your blue tack, anything sticky. Some people like to use tape. I don't, because it leaves a residue. So I like to use poster putty or blue tack right now. This is removable. You want something that's removable so it doesn't stick. You also want to label your sweet spot, which I didn't, so that's why I'm doing it this way today, guys, because I just want to show you guys real quick how to achieve the look that everybody wants. Poster putty, it's the sticky stuff. Blue tack, anything. So okay, so we're gonna get some of that. Ooh. So put that here. We got our tool. Ooh. We got our thread. We doing it on a zigzag machine today, so it's no double needle today, but I prefer the double needle because it gives it the cover stitch look, but we're going to use a zigzag stitch. Let me show you guys a sample of what we're about to create. I made this with no hands. I was doing a demonstration for somebody else, and this is basically it, guys. And I did this with no hands. No hands. And this is it, I'm telling you. Oh yeah, you can use a magnetic guide to make sure that you know, your trim doesn't go over and it stays straight and it keeps, you know, feeding through. This is what I like to use. I didn't mark my sweet spot yet, so that's why I'm gonna show you how to set it up on a different one. So let's get started, guys. So take your blue tack, your putty, or whatever you're gonna use. Take a nice piece of it, make a ball. After you make your ball, we're gonna put it on a few spots here. We're gonna put one here. We're gonna put a big nice fat one right here and a big nice fat one right here, right? So you would just press it on real good. You might want to put your rake like this if your sewing machine is really small. Mine is really small right here. Some that have heavy duty sewing machines, they're more, you know, open, and you might can use your rack, but I don't. I push mine to the back like this because you don't want it to hit this spot if you put it here. See, you don't want that to hit that. You're a breaking machine. You definitely don't want to do that. It will throw your timing off and everything. So after you place the putty in all the spots I just mentioned, you will find your sweet spot. You will line this up in the best position. I don't know what zigzag stitch you're using or with straight, so I can't really tell you exactly where to put it, but you'll know. You'll see it. You'll be able to see it in the video. So we'll line this up nice and neat. Get that on there. Right? Hold on, guys. My thread is acting up today. Excuse my hands. I don't have any lotion on anything. Okay, so after we set it up, it should be like this. Oh, I need to push this down some. There we go. Okay. Bring this a little closer so we can see. We're going to take this off. because remember I told you I can't use my rake. So then we're going to take the trim, boom, 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 and we're going to cut it in a slant. So that way it can go through smoothly. And you can grab it better when you put it through. Okay, so after doing that, we want to take our tweezers. You want to make sure the wrong side is facing you. So that way when it gets folded into the outside, the right side of the fabric will be on the outside, on the top. I'm sorry, but doing this and trying to hold the camera in place, and this is a lot of work, girls. I should have had this set up already. And then I put nails on for the video purposes. Girls, what was I thinking, babe? Okay. Oh my God, here we go. Because I can't use the rack. So I gotta try to get it through. Okay, I want to make sure she's feeding through. Okay, let's put her on. Remember, I gotta hold this piece because make sure your thread is pulled all the way out. Give it enough space because your threads will come out. Sorry, I need to move up some because I can't see too good. Okay, you guys is ready? Why is this already attached? Sorry, hold on. Going through some problems right now. I would, being that I'm trying to show people how an easier way, right? I would go through the BS. And then I have these nails on that I shouldn't even put on. That's why, because nobody was gonna tell me that my needle was down. Wow. Okay, let's put you down right there. Let's give you a test run just to see how's we looking. Okay. So once again, I'm doing it with no hands because I'm trying to look at the video and make sure I'm capturing everything correctly. So it might be a little wonky at first. Might be a little wonky because I'm trying to record at the same time. If you got a foot without the little thing in the front, that would be best to use. I'm sorry because I'm not paying attention to the back, and you know when you don't have the rack in, it gets a little crazy. Stressing me out. This went so smoothly just a few minutes ago. But being that I'm trying to make a video for you guys, it's acting a fool. Okay, so let's take our fabric. And let's feed it through. I'm over here pulling them back, messing up. Yeah, it's a little wonky. If you see how my phone is, you will be like, okay, I see why I'm not even holding it. So, trim is just trimming by itself. And we're going to see what it did. Well, you can already see it already. Okay, let's see the trimming that it trimmed. See? Trimmed. And no, that's not the same piece. These are two different pieces. This is one trim. This is the first demonstration piece. And here's the one I just created. That was the beginning, the wonky part. But this is the one I just did on camera. And this is the one I did earlier. As you can see, different pieces. Let's get in there. So yes, you can trim on a regular sewing machine.
Now, what you do is